Hey, BoosturBrain buddies! Welcome back to another exciting adventure in our Montessori pre-reading activity series. Today, we're diving into the world of outline matching cards, a journey packed with fun, learning, and memory games. Get ready to embark on an exploration that's sure to ignite your child's imagination and boost their cognitive skills. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Let's get straight to the fun stuff. Check out these awesome picture cards, and guess what? You can make them yourself at home. If you prefer, you can find similar ones in stores. Or if you want them right away, you can email me at boosterbrain.sales@gmail.com to get them. Easy, right? Before we jump into the matching excitement, let's talk about versatility. These outline matching cards aren't just for matching, they're also fantastic flashcards. Kids can use them to learn shapes, objects, and animals, making learning feel like play. It's a great way to build vocabulary and visual recognition skills before diving into the matching fun. Now, let's dive into the heart of the action matching. Each card features an outline waiting to be completed. Kids match these outlines to the pictures on other cards, like solving a puzzle in a playful way. Not only is it loads of fun, but it also boosts visual perception and critical thinking skills. It's a hands on approach to learning that sparks curiosity and creativity in every match made. But hold on to your hats, because the fun doesn't stop there. Once you've mastered the matching madness, it's time to unleash your memory skills in an epic showdown. Here's the scoop: scatter all the matching cards face down in a grid formation. Then let the games begin. Players take turns flipping over two cards, aiming to find those elusive matching pairs. Remember, it's not just about luck. Encourage everyone to keep their wits about them and memorize the card placements to up their matching game. Need to crank up the challenge? Try using a timer to keep those turns snappy and the excitement levels high. With every flip, every match, and every victory, you're not just having a blast, you're boosting your memory skills like a pro. So, who's ready to take on the challenge and become the ultimate memory master? Let the games begin. Thank you for joining me on this enchanting outline matching and flashcards fun adventure. If you relish this experience, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more Booster Brain Montessori adventures. Until our next rendezvous, keep matching, keep learning. Bye bye.